Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good. You are enjoying your holidays. Now, today we are going to see subject mathematics of class 3rd and the lesson name is subtraction without borrowing. Now, in previous class already you learned subtraction with one digit. Now, let us take one example. Here some blocks are there. We will count that blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, here total 9 blocks are there. Out of that, 3 blocks I want to give my friend. So, I will remove it from this collection. 1, 2 and 3. So total how many remain with me? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 are there. So out of 9 blocks I gave 3 blocks to my friend. So here total 6 blocks remain with me. So, with the help of numbers, we can write 9 minus 3 equal to, the answer will be 6. Now, we will see subtraction of 2 digits. For that, I have collection of bits. Now, here you can see 2 tens bits and 8 units of bits. Out of that, I will remove 1/10 of the bits outside, even 2 bits from the unit bits. So how many it will remain? This is 1/10 and we will count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/10 and 6 unit, that is 16 bits are remaining. Now same example we will solve with the help of numbers. So we have to keep the numbers at their proper place value. So 2 digit numbers we are showing with the help of unit place and tens place. So totally I was having 28 bits. So 2 tens I will keep at tens place value and 8 unit bits I will keep at unit place. Out of this 28 bits, I remove 1/10 and 2 units. So here we will do subtraction. Now 8 minus 2, what will be the answer? 8 minus 2, it is 6. Correct. Now 2 minus 1, what will be the answer? It's 1. So total 16 bits remain with me. Now one more example we will take of 2 digit subtraction. So here 36 minus 25. So how we will do? First we will start from unit place. 6 minus 5. What will be the answer? The answer will be 1. Correct. Now, next we will do subtraction with tens place. 3 minus 2. So, what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 1. So, 36 minus 25, answer will become 11. So, Manoj have total 234 rupees. So, here we kept 100 rupees 2 notes, that is 200. Then 10 rupees 3 notes, that is 30 rupees total, and 4 rupees coins. So out of this 234, Ajit gave to Manoj 123 rupees. So we will remove 100. So this is 100 note, 20 rupees. So this 10 rupees one note and one more note we will take. So 120 and 3 rupees. So 1, 2, 3. So like this 123 rupees he has given to Manoj. So how much remain here? Let us see. This is 100 rupees one note. So 100. This is 10 rupees one note. And this is one coin. So total 111 rupees it's remain. As per activity, we will solve example. So example, it was that Ajit has 234 rupees. How much money he had left over after he gave 123 rupees to Manoj? So we will solve the example. Now from this word problem, we come to know we want to find out the remaining money with Ajit. So we will do subtraction. So Ajit has 234 rupees. So I have written here 234 in their respective place values. Then we want to do subtraction. So minus sign is there. Now Ajit gave 123 rupees to Manoj. So I have written here 123 rupees in the respective place values. Now we will do subtraction. So we will get the remaining money with Ajit. So we will start from unit place. So 4 minus 3, the answer will come 1. Then 3 minus 2, what will be the answer? Again it will be 1. And 2 minus 1, the answer will be 1. So remaining money with Ajit, it will be 111 rupees. Now we will see more examples of 3-digit subtraction. So in this first example, 458 minus 44. So we will start with unit place. 8 minus 4. What will come? 8 minus 4. The answer will be 4. Then 5 minus 4. The answer will be 1. And here 4 minus no digit. Whenever there is no digit, so you have to write there 0. Then 4 minus 0 we can write as 4. So answer will be 414. Now we will see one more example. So here 955 minus 405. So we will start our subtraction from unit place. So here you can see 5 minus 5. What will come answer? Here answer will be 0. Then 5 minus 0. We know the rule that whenever 0 is subtracting from any number, so the answer will come same number. So here it will be 5. And the next, it is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, the answer will be 5. So after subtracting 405 from 955, we got the answer 550. There can be one more question for 3-digit subtraction, that is arrange vertically and subtract. The example will be given like this. The numbers will be in horizontal manner. You have to use for that column method. So here example is there. You have to subtract 200 from 654. These all numbers are in horizontal manner. We have to write in using column method. So what is the first number here? 654. That we will write as in their respective values. So 4 we will write at unit place. Then 5 will be at tens place. And 6 will be at 100 place. Then minus sign. What is the next number? The next number is there 200. So we will write 200 in their respective place values. Now we will do subtraction. We will start with unit place. So 4 minus 0, what will come? As per our subtraction rule, whenever we are subtracting 0 from any digit, the same number will come here as the answer. So 4 will come the answer. Similarly, for 5 minus 0, the answer will come 5 here. And 6 minus 2, the answer will come 4. So we got the answer 454. Now we are going to see one more question type for 3-digit subtraction. So here you can see the question: subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Read it carefully. Subtract the smaller number from bigger number. So the example is here. First number is there 315 and second number is there 517. What is our question? We have to subtract smaller number from which number? Bigger number. So here it is given first number 315 and second number 517. So which is the bigger number here? The number 517 is the bigger, and which is the smaller number? 315. This is the smaller number. So you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Always remember, whenever we are doing subtraction, we are subtracting smaller values from the bigger number. So first we will write in the column method bigger number. So how we are writing? So 7 will be there at unit place, 1 will be there at tens place, and 5 will be there at hundred place. Then we want to subtract, so minus sign, and then we will write the smaller number. Which is the smaller number? 315. So we will write in their respective place values. So 5 will be there at unit place, 1 will be there at tens place, and 3 will be there at hundred place. Now we will start our subtraction. So we will start from unit place. So here you can see 7 minus 5. The answer will come here 2. Correct. Now here 1 minus 1. What will come? The answer will come here 0, because same number subtraction it is there. So here it will remain 0. Then 5 minus 3. The answer will come 2. So when we are subtracting smaller number 315 from the bigger number 517, we got here answer 202. Now we are going to see subtraction in horizontal arrangement. So here you can see the example: 345 minus 243. Now previous we saw the subtraction using column method. Now we are going to arrange this subtraction horizontally. So how we will do? So here you can see the first number is 345 and the second number is 243. For that we will write first place values. So 5 here it is at unit place. Then 4 it is at tens place, and 3 it is at hundred place. Similarly, the next number we will write their place values. So here it is unit place, then tens place and hundred place. Then we have to start our subtraction. So always we are doing subtraction from the unit place. So here we'll start our subtraction from unit place. So what you have to do? You have to draw lines like this. That is indicating we are subtracting first unit place. So at unit place, in this first number it is 5 and in second number 3 it is there. So we will subtract 5 minus 3. Again, while writing the answer, we have to write first place values. Unit place, tens place and hundred place. So whatever answer will come, that we have to write at their place values. So here 5 minus 3. What will come? So answer will come here 2. Then we will take tens place. So for that again we have to draw lines. You can draw lines like this. So it is indicating we are doing the subtraction for the tens place. So 4 minus 4. What will come answer? The answer will come here 0. Then which is the remaining place value? 100 place. So we have to start our subtraction. 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, what will come? The answer will come 1. So here you will get 345 minus 243 equal to answer is 102. We will see one more example for the subtraction in horizontal arrangement. So here example it is there, 417 minus 305. So do not need to write column method, we have to use horizontal arrangement. So we will write the place values. So here unit place, then tens place and 100 place. Then for second number we will write again place values. So here unit place, tens place and 100 place. So for horizontal arrangement we are starting with unit place values. Before that we will write for the answer place values, that is 100 place, tens place and unit place. So we will start with unit place. So we have to draw the line for the unit place. This 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5, what will come answer? 2. So we will write the answer at unit place because we did the subtraction for unit place. Then we will take tens place. So at tens place here in the first number 1 is there and in second number 0 is there. So again we have to draw the line for the tens place, 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 0, you know the rule that if we will subtract 0 from any number, so the same number will be the answer. So at tens place 1 will come. Then we have to do subtraction for 100 place. So we will draw the line. So we have to do 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, what will come? Here it will come 1. So the answer is 112.